What's up guys, today we're doing another comparison. This time is two mid-ranges from OPPO and Samsung. They're the best competitors in the market right now. So this is the OPPO Reno5 F and this is the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. While both are priced similarly, they do have their differences. Which is better? Let's find out. We're starting with one of the most important aspects of a smartphone, the display. On the Reno5 F, we have a 60Hz AMOLED panel. On the Galaxy A32 5G, we have a 90Hz LCD panel. If you pick the former, you're getting a phone that's better for media consumption thanks to its vibrant colors, but the latter will give you smoother navigation and browsing. But the deciding factor for me is actually the resolution. The Galaxy A32 that pushes HD+ resolution is a huge no for me, especially at this price point. The Reno5 F is brighter, sharper, and you also get an in-screen fingerprint sensor. If the outlook matters to you, I think many will find the Galaxy A32's design appealing. The absence of a camera bump helps the phone stand out among its competitors. On the other hand, the Reno5 F has a glossy gradient finish that is more familiar to some, plus it's also slimmer and lighter. It's more comfortable to be held, which may be more important than looks in the long term. Now both phones have 8GB of RAM paired with 128GB of storage, but one big difference is 5G support. The Reno5 F doesn't support 5G as it is powered by the MediaTek Helio P95, whereas the Galaxy A32 is using the MediaTek Dimensity 720 chip. The 5G chipset is slightly more powerful, but overall both phones can handle popular games like PUBG and Mobile Legends and will face limitation in heavy graphics games like Genshin Impact. Moving on to the camera department. Even though both phones have similar lenses, the Galaxy A32 has a better 5MP macro lens as it takes sharper and brighter close-up shots. If we compare the 48MP lenses on both phones, the Reno5 F captures more saturated colors and lean towards warmer tones, while the Galaxy A32 5G has more natural colors. However, the results are the opposite when using the ultra-wide lens. The Samsung phone shoots warmer photos. Both devices suffer loss of details when using their ultra-wide lenses, but at least the Galaxy A32 captures a wider field of view. At night, the Reno5 F triumphs over the Galaxy A32 5G. Photos generally have less noise and retains more details. They are also brighter and not as yellowish compared to the ones taken on the Galaxy A32 5G. We also get more clarity and details when it comes to selfies on the Reno5 F as it comes with a 32MP lens, whereas the Galaxy A32 5G is only equipped with a 13MP lens. Colors can be inconsistent on both phones, but the Reno5 F has better beauty effects, whereas its competitors over-smoothens the skin, causing selfies to look mediocre. The Reno5 F is also a better choice for those who like shooting creative videos. With AI Color Portrait, you can now capture photos or videos that puts you in the spotlight as the background turns monochrome. The camera feature works on both the front and rear lenses, so you don't always have to ask others to shoot for you. Apart from that, the Reno5 F also has dual view video that we've seen on other Reno phones and the Find X3 Pro. With just a click of a button, you can record both you and your friends simultaneously. It's all about convenience. Just like before, there are 3 different layouts to choose from. Last but not least, we have the battery life. The Samsung Galaxy A32 5G has a bigger 5000 mAh battery, but the Reno5 F has a faster 30W Volt Charge 4.0. Basically, the Samsung phone lasted longer than the Reno5 F, but it also took over 2 hours to fully charge the phone. The Reno5 F only needed half the time to get a full charge. Both these phones are priced at 1,199 ringgit and are comparable when it comes to performance. However, a HD+ screen on the Galaxy A32 is a huge drawback. Plus, it's also on the losing end when it comes to features and the selfie camera. As for the Reno5 F, its weaknesses includes a smaller battery and no 5G, but some may think that the latter is unnecessary as of now. So that's it for our video today. Let me know in the comment section down below which phone you think is a better purchase. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.